decided to break out of my paper piecing mold and try something new. I'm going to do a Studio 180 design quilt. This one is called Colors of the Wind, and it used the V block and squared, and of course the Tucker trimmer, because it wouldn't be a Studio 180 without using the Tucker trimmer. And if you've taken the classes from Gail, this is a great opportunity to learn, to use the techniques that you've already learned and to use your rulers. But if you haven't taken the classes from Gail, I will be teaching you the techniques. So don't go, oh, I didn't take classes from Gail, I can't take this class. No, I'll be going through and I'll be teaching you all the techniques, because even after we take the class, we often forget some of this stuff. So I will be reviewing everything in it. And when you're done, you've used your tools again and you've got a great quilt. This pattern comes in 3 sizes. You can make a baby quilt, a lap quilt, or a queen size quilt. So it's up to you what size you want to make and how much time you want to spend on it. But this should be a really fun class, and I'm looking forward to teaching something different and seeing you in my class.